Alright, guys, welcome on board. I've been trying to arrange my live streaming, but I don't know what happened. It couldn't allow me. So here we are now. I'm trying to arrange things. I don't know what went wrong. Okay. So this is it. I've been trying to go live because I was actually looking at the market. Okay, while it was just doing its playing around. So this is our buy zone, and of course go tapped into that buy zone. Why I was expecting it to come, even if it is down to this minute at 32.78. Okay, so can actually make horizontal line target early entry. Early entry and coordinate will be let's put it on 78. That'll be the coordinates. Okay. Side. Okay, so that will be our early entry because price has already taken out its liquidity and has already expected to buy. Just tapped it because I took a buy early at 81, which I'm putting on the trade, but if price is gonna come back down here, then our early entry is gonna be 78. Meanwhile, the big entry is 73 point something, and then our stop loss still remain minimal. 32.68.1. That's our stop loss. Already I'm in the trade already. Okay, so thank you, brother. Alright, so I did give a setup yesterday actually. Let's not assume a C where I forgot the setup. I did give a setup around here. That was the first setup. Okay, that was yesterday. But gold kept rejecting, which I know once gold keep rejecting and avoiding my zone, it will definitely take me out when it comes back the next one. So I had to give another one and say, okay, we're gonna use this as a backup setup. Okay, so good has come. It's respected this our other block or whatever you can call it, and has taken out this liquidity as you can see here. So our next zone target is buy zone, okay, which our early entry still remains on 32.78. So welcome everyone on board, and here we are. You can drop your questions, okay? Are you angry with me? Did I make you lose more? Say it, because market is full of emotion. You can drop down your emotion on me. There's no problem with that. What we have to do is just sit down and say sorry to each other. We're gonna get back. We're gonna come back. So actually, Monday wasn't profitable. Was trade? Okay, we took a trade on euro. It was a weird currency pair. Euro, USD, CHF or what? That took us out too. Then I dropped it up yesterday, which did not trigger. So Monday, Tuesday, there wasn't any profit at all. So we are hoping to make at least profit daily, okay, to cover up for Monday and Tuesday. So if possible, if all my target is always 100 pips, okay, my target is always minimum 100 pips. So that means I'm owing Monday 100 pips, Tuesday 100 pips, Wednesday 100 pips. I'm owing a whooping 300 pips to my community. Okay, so you can see me zooming down all targets of this buy zone. You can see the targets here. Look at targets 199.5. That's 2,000 pips. That's my targets. Okay, so my targets for this long buy is a swing trade actually. This buy is a swing trade. So we are targeting almost 2,000 pips for this trade. So which means if I manage to get, if this 2,000 pips manages to play out, then I'm settling all my debts. Plus that means 2,000 minus 300 pips. That's extra 1,700 pips in my community. So I've already told them that it has reacted in the buy zone. So there's possibility gold will not come back to that zone again. I might decide to close above here. This is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour candlestick. And how many minutes we have? We just have like 12 minutes for this candle to decide. So if it's gonna close above this liquidity, then we still have hopes that markets will continue pushing up because that's a rejection. Okay, so meanwhile, let's keep watching. Already might have an entry on 3281, which is currently running 60 plus pips actually right now. So like this live, share to your friends, drop your comments, and what have you? It's craft. Okay.
Got me thinking about us more as these bright lights they put me in a daze, and I can't stop but think about the way that you move around up and down on that stage as your future vibes.
Okay, so where are we? Are we still active? The market, it's coming down to our buy zone again. It's coming down. Of course, I've already set an early entry and my buy entry. Let's see how the market reacts to that. Okay. Well, oh, what? I have already. Okay. 200. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. They're all good. Come and go. Give us what we want. This is my last setup for today. Because it has always been one at a time. Should we check something else? Should we look at Bitcoin? Well, I think I'm having issues with some people because before you could comment in this live, because this is the YouTube, okay, you need to create a channel of your own. You don't need to, you just need to create any channel and just give it any name of your choice before you can interact in YouTube. Okay, so you have to just click and create your channel, give it a name, and that's all. Then you can interact and you can communicate and you can chat. So if you can't do that, you can like. Actually, I'm thinking of even going to on live on TikTok. So okay, we are on good now. Let's bit. Okay. So this was my setup for Bitcoin. Actually, we got a sell setup on Bitcoin, and of course, Bitcoin has been there all along. It hasn't passed there. Okay, so if you've been selling, take profit here, sell, take profit here, come back in, sell, take profit. You are still in the range. Bitcoin has not crossed here, except I see any break out of this resistance, then that's when I'm gonna look for buys. But for now, Bitcoin is still trending in this range because we sold and we made like 200 pips on this setup, which my target was 400 pips. It was only 200 pips and reacted here, then reversed. Now come back in because it's still trying to react. So possible get here, react again and sell again, or pushes up breakout, and that's all. What I'll be aiming for is Bitcoin today. I think it's gonna buy. What I'll be aiming for is just something like this. Okay. This is what I'll be looking at. Bitcoin, something like this. If it doesn't do this, then get a breakout, and then we're gonna get something like this instead. Okay, doesn't do that, then we're gonna get something like this: breakouts, tests, and push back up. Okay, that's what's going to be. That's what I see in Bitcoin. I don't see anything, nothing different. It's gonna push up here. Some can decide to buy from here because it's definitely gonna push up. So it's definitely gonna push up there. That's Bitcoin, right? Let me check my chart. Bitcoin, buy. It's USD buy. Okay. Buy. So that's it. I'm gonna push up here, come back here and sell, or continue pushing up, get here, get a breakout from here, retest and push back up. So that's Bitcoin for you. Meanwhile, we're still on gold, and of course gold just broke out the liquidity and close below it, so it might use it as resistance and test, come back into this buy zone before going back up, or will get stopped out. So all is about waiting. So we're gonna wait for the perfect time to hit the market. Okay. So where are we now? Nobody talked about I wasn't hearing you. Everybody was kept. Everybody kept quiet. So where are we? Nobody talked about- I didn't know the mic was somehow low and the music was much higher, so I just did now. Okay, so nobody spoke, nobody replied, nobody commented. Everybody was just there. Okay, so where's my TikTok? Hmm. Oh, serious, broski. You guys just got the result just now? Fuck it. It's Anook's Car Crafts. I think you're the only one on this live, right? Well, I'm gonna award you. Alright, try to message me on if you're listening to me, just message me on Telegram, Hurricane FX. Tell me you were Anushka Craft. Okay? I'm gonna give you a 10. Let's say no, I'm gonna give you like 5 USDT for free for just being active on my life. Okay? Thanks for supporting. It means a lot because I'm trying to grow here. And at the expense of growing, I'm trying to grow everybody. I'm trying to make profits for everybody. So I'm gonna appreciate you for that. Just hit me a message on Telegram and with this screenshot of you saying you HRU, I like it, and if possible, just record this voice I'm saying and say, just say I was. Let me see your name. I am Anushka Crafts from Live, YouTube Live. Okay. Or you can actually drop your wallet address here on this live, and I'm gonna copy it and send it to you. USDT, just five USDT. I think it's okay for support. That's because I said I was gonna give 5 USDT to Anushka. That's why Ethical Trader is replying. Thank you, but the winner has been decided. I only need interaction. I don't need anything. Just need, yes, let's talk. Yeah, what are your thoughts? Okay, this is your buy zone you did is wrong. Give me your reason. This is where my buy zone is. All those things. Yeah, I need challenge. That's how we learn. I'm prone to learning actually. It's not as if I'm perfect. I end perfect. Okay? So I'm prone to learning. I end perfect. I'm still actually learning. Everybody is open to learning. I'm prone to mistake. I don't own the market. That's one. And I don't control the market. That's two. So the only thing I do is, oh, no, I don't need anything. Okay. No, I don't need anything. Oh, all right. So I just do the analysis based on what I think, based on my strategies that I've learned over time, and then just predict the market. It's just prediction, actually. No strategy is 100% sure, 100% how I say legit. No strategy is that. Every strategy has its ups and downs. You can't tell me that, bro, this strategy is 100% sure. I'm sure that this strategy, once I get this strategy, it fails. All those 100% strategy fails. Okay, they fail. They're not always 100%. That's the thing. So what you just need to do is just stick to your plans, and if you feel this strategy is working for you, stick to it. There's no need to rush into the market. For me, I don't rush into the market. I wait. You can see gold is already reacting into the buy zone again, just a little bit, and going back up. So left for me, can decide to. Let's do a video. Can decide to. Let's give in more buys because already my bias is buy, so I can decide to keep tapping buys, but I don't trade like that. I only trade with maximum 2 entries, maximum 3 entries, 0.2, 0.2 max. That's how I trade. I don't trade more than that. Okay, maximum. So once I've gotten 100 pips, I take one off. I close one at 100 pips, then target 200 pips. I close the third one at 200 pips, then the second one at 200 pips, then the third one I set break even and allow it to ride to full taper. That's how I trade. I don't open trade like a madman just because my setup is 100% sure. Then I just keep clicking. Like, those are demo traders actually. Anybody that clicks, all those tapping, stacking. They call it stacking. Once you get a buy zone, you get a right entry, then you stack. Anybody that does that is using demo accounts, that's for sure. Because the stress of closing all those trades. Okay, what if it goes bad? Okay, because you're using MT5, so okay, yeah, I think that's feature that you can say close all positions, close all losing positions, close all profitable positions. It's there, so that's why you think, okay, instead of wasting your time and clicking, okay, keep clicking 0.1, 0.1, clicking into like 100 times, why not just calculate that and just say, okay, since it's 100 times, one lot size, open and rest, put your stop loss so the place you think it will not reach, and that's why you rest. But the only advantage I think is to add up to 3 layers, and then you can divide those you're tapping into 3. If it's one lot size you want to risk, you can divide it by 3 and use 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, then the last one 0.1. Then that's when martingale layer comes into play. Okay, once you open a first trade here, open a first trade maybe like 81 with 0.1, then martingale layer will tell you once the market comes back down to like 78, you add a lot size. If you open with 0.1, you can add with 0.2 and open there. So once the market comes back up into profit, you can close it up a top layer and hold the lower layers with break even and then ride your trade to profit. So that's martingale layer for you. So I don't do star again. I just take my one entry or two entries and we ride the market. Okay, I think my song has stopped, so let's come back here. It's not muted actually. Yeah, so that's the song.
I'm coming closer. I will catch you.
Of course.
It goes.
So our early entry was that. You can see early entry is 32.78. Okay, so you can see good reaching that early entry here exactly on 32.78, going back 20 pips up. So we're still on that. That's what I'm looking at. Okay,
Are you afraid of the dark?
so yeah,
Are you scared?
I'm actually active on this trade. Early entry is 78.
I am you.
course. Actually, I won't trade. Live. What's live? Let's see what I got. I couldn't get it exactly on that 78 actually, but I think it touched 7. Oh no, it didn't trigger. It did not trigger 78. It just came close to 78 but didn't trigger. It's bad. It's bad. Almost. Just almost. Almost triggering. Look at just a little dying. Just I think just few pips. And just 0.2 pips. It means by 0.2 pips. That's crazy. Well, the only advantage is we are already in the buy zone, so I'm still gonna keep there. Except gold breaks below and ticks our stop loss, then we are done for today because this is the last bust up for gold. This 32.65 is the last and the least stop loss we're gonna have. 32.60. That's the least. Anything below that, then we are cooked. Okay, so good. Came in there, came back there, and is going back up for a continuation of pi. So nobody's saying anything. Everybody's just keeping quiet. So also be like that. So gonna be looking.
between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let
As we can see, this is Bitcoin, right? I give this entry on Bitcoin. This is like 10 pips, 20 pips on Bitcoin. Okay, give this. So I'm gonna come back when it's finished delivering. And as for gold, it's still playing here. Okay, so let's keep saying.
Jack it up. Jack it up.
So amazing. Okay, you can see already given what we ask of Bitcoin. Okay, that's so amazing. Progress. Well, I think I've stayed long enough on this live. Okay, Like me, I'm tired. So I'm gonna end this live now because this still remains our buy zone, and who keeps reacting into the buy zone, then we keep buying there. Targets 100, 200, 300, 400, and 2000 pips. That's the target. Okay, so see you guys on the next live. This is 10:46 p.m. and I'll be back at UK or US session. All right, see you guys. Bye. What's ringing?